ne sarang. What does this phrase mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is sarang. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word sarang. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 148. Sarang. Sarang. This is a two-syllable word. The first syllable is sa, the second syllable is rang. Pronounce it with me. Sarang. Sarang. The word sarang is the Korean noun for love. Again, this is the Korean noun or concept for love. Now, how do we write sarang in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable sa in Hangul, we need to draw first a siyut character, followed by an a character. For the second syllable rang, we need to draw first a real character, followed by an a character, followed by an iyong character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word sarang. And that is how we write sarang in Hangul. Now, let's try to look into this example phrase. It says, my love. The Korean translation of this phrase is ne sarang. Again, the Korean translation of the phrase my love is ne sarang. The word ne is used to say that something is mine, while sarang, which is our word for today, is the Korean noun for love. So if we combine these two, it would result to a phrase that says love of mine or my love. Looking back to the example phrase at the beginning of the sentence, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase ne sarang, again, the meaning of the phrase ne sarang is simply my love. And with that, you've just learned sarang. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 138 to 147. But don't forget our word for today, word number 148, sarang. And this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajuma. And this is the Korean noun for an old woman, which is approximately of the same age as our mother. Word number 146 is ajuse. This is the Korean noun for an old man, which is also approximately of the same age as our father. Word number 145 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samcheon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Word number 143 is jame, and this is the Korean noun for sisters. Word number 142 is yongjae, and this is the Korean noun for brothers. Word number 141 is dongseng, and this is the Korean noun for younger sibling. Word number 140 is maknae, and this is the Korean noun for youngest sibling, or this could also mean the youngest in a family or group. Word or phrase number 139 is 뭐라고, and this is an informal way of saying or asking, what did you say? And the last for our review is word number 138, 예쁘다. This is an adjective which means pretty. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.